I think we're like up to like 20 buckaroonies in like an hour and like 10 minutes, man, and that 10 minutes doesn't even count. So in an hour we almost made 20 bucks, which is cool.
Gang, we are on our way doing our first Postmate ever. Are you ready, babe? Yeah, he's been really excited. He's really excited to get out here and make some money. What are they ordering?
They ordered 2 pizzas from Papa John's.
Turn right.
That truck was not moving, so I swerved, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know, truck drivers are supposed to be skilled. I don't know what that guy was doing.
Yeah, that guy was not it, fam. That guy was
Take the
just
next right onto North Gower
the
Street.
best day. Who drives a semi-truck into Hollywood Hills? I don't know. But he tried and
he
that
failed
didn't
miserably.
We're literally on the other side of this truck.
Is he still down
Yeah,
there?
the truck is
He's
still
still
there.
down there.
Yeah, he's still blocking off the road. But we out! Our story complete. We're off to the next one. I don't know if they have to sign anything. Probably not, but...
No, they don't. I never saw anything in Postmates. Did you ever sign anything in Postmates?
No, I didn't, but he said they gave me 3 receipts and he was like, you have to sign for it. And then the Postmates said that I didn't have to pay for it, so which is like, well, like the payment wasn't processed, which is like, I was confused. I don't know what to do. Where to go?
What's the next one? Did you get it yet?
Finding offers.
Okay. Let's see.
Get it.
You're back online.
Okay, guys, it's
you should
literally
reach your
been
destination by
a matter of
11:05
like...
a.m.
Okay, guys, it's literally been a matter of seconds, and we already have our second order. Where is it from?
Rue Coffee.
Rue Coffee.
We're going to Rue Coffee. I kind of want some coffee. You should run in while I get Postmates and get some coffee.
You're gonna be in there anyway.
Yeah, but you should, because I can't, like, I'm a Postmate guy, so, like, my job is to just go in and
Head
get
northwest on Hollywood Boulevard toward Rodney Drive.
Postmates. Huh? It did not say that.
Go. Whoa, that guy almost caused severe accidents, and he's speeding towards a red light.
Whoa.
Take the next right onto Lucille Avenue, then turn right onto Griffith Park Boulevard.
So, we have our second deal now. Yep.
Second Postmate deal down, you know what I'm saying? We off to the next one, baby.
Honestly, guys, it's just a matter of getting out there, starting, working, and just making it happen.
So it's been 2 deliveries later, and we got about 7 buckaroonies so far. We're going to our 3rd delivery right now. Hopefully about to break about 10 buckaroonies. It's been a little bit under an hour, but it took us a little bit to start off. While we're doing the Postmates thing, we're gonna also drive for dollars and then look for properties and stuff like that. We're going to track where we're driving, and we're gonna track all the properties that we see on the way and stuff like that. So while we're executing that, you know what I'm saying, there's other things that we also will be working on. So it's not just like, you know, one thing at a time. Like we're doing it all, and we're doing it all right now. Right now we're going to our 3rd delivery. I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day. We dropped off number 3, and we got a tip. I don't even know how much it is, but I think we're like up to like 20 buckaroonies in like an hour and like 10 minutes, man, and that 10 minutes doesn't even count. So in an hour we almost made 20 bucks, which is cool. And we're also looking for properties. Right now we're in like a stressed neighborhood. If you guys see, we're right by the bridge and stuff like that. And these properties aren't really looking too mighty beautiful, and it's like low income area. So we're gonna drive for dollars right now and check out these properties, get some numbers down, and keep going with these Postmates. Let's get it. Here we are looking at one of our potential properties. We found out that an investor bought it in 2018, but it's 2019, almost the end of it. Maybe he doesn't want to work on it, so we're gonna try to figure out what's up with it.
101 north.
Okay, so we did it, guys. About 2.5 hours later, we made about 30 bucks on Postmates. It was about $24 plus the $5 tip that I got. Besides all the, you know, tips that should follow all those orders. If they don't, they don't. If they do, they do. You know, but it's about 30 bucks, 15 bucks an hour, not bad. We got about 21 properties from driving for dollars, which is very good. We sent those emailers to them, and stuff like that. Right now we're about to go back. I'm about to finish editing this video, and then we still have those Twinkies that we have to figure something out with. So we had an idea of going to like a beach or by the club or something like that and just pushing them to people like, bro, you like Twinkies? Like, we're just gonna sell it to random people just so we can at least like break even or make our money back. The stuff that we don't sell, we'll have to contact any place with the kids, orphanages, schools, like I don't even know what there is, to be honest with you, but all I know is we're gonna have to contact those places and see how we can get the candy to the kids, the candy that we don't sell, because I just don't want to see it go bad and then waste all that food when there's actually people in need that need it. We also have to finish 7 chapters from the venue that we went to yesterday. So all, like, we have homework, we have work, we are hustling, man. Within this week we went from like not having anything to do and not knowing what to do to now just straight up like being engulfed in this, and this is cool. I like this. If you're an entrepreneur of any kind, you know what I'm feeling like right now. If you're not, if you want to feel like that and then have a freedom of just like hustling for your own money and like getting your own things and then struggling on your own, like this is how you start, bro. You look something up, you see how to do it, and then instead of just like reading the steps, you implement them right away. So like when we saw the steps of like, oh, you have to go and drive for dollars to find the properties, we instantly hopped in the car, we instantly combined 2 and 2, which was the Postmates and driving for dollars, and we were able to not only make money while driving, but also make money while driving. So we like did it twice pretty much, which is cool, you know what I mean? Like out of those 21 properties, even if one of them hits and we make $5,000, like what we just drove for 2 hours, I feel like is more than worth it, and I feel like we'll be able to do a lot with it. So I'm really grateful for you guys for watching, because we broke 400 followers, even though like it's not a lot, you know, like in the grand scheme of life, it's not a lot, but like for somebody that's been building it from ground up, like just day in, day out, figuring out ways how to get more followers, how to get likes, how to get comments, just like how to get the statistics up, how to get even on the statistics, like it feels good, you know. And then we're at 402 followers. So I'm really thankful for you guys. If you guys want to see other stuff that we haven't posted yet, feel free to comment below, because I don't see a lot of you guys commenting. It is discouraging, but I ain't gonna quit on myself, because at the end of the day, I do it for me. I don't really care about the amount of followers, views, or likes I get, but I do want to connect more with you guys. I want to contact you guys. I want to speak to you guys. I want to reach out to you guys. I want to see your guys' story. I want to help you guys. So comment below on where I should touch bases on, or where you guys are struggling at, so I can maybe figure out ways how I can help you. So yeah, for today, this is gonna be it with the video. We're gonna release the update for the rest of the day in the next video. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for following. Thank you guys for everything. Catch you on the flip. Peace.
What's it like in LA traffic?
Shit.